Welcome to HP Support on YouTube. Our channel includes a large selection of self-help videos for HP products in many languages. Here are some quick tips. In the channel search field, search in your language for your specific product or issue. If you're searching outside of our YouTube channel, add at HP Support to get results from our official channel. Use the chapter feature to skip ahead or go back. In the video's description, click More and scroll down. Then click and Show Transcript to follow along or scan ahead in the narration. To change the caption language in the video player, click Settings. Click Subtitles, then Auto Translate and choose your language. Check out our Posts tab. Please leave us feedback in the comment section, like and subscribe.